I'm Dr. Toni Phillips and I've been an advanced aesthetic injector for nearly 20 years. Ameela is the brand of polynucleotide that I am working with, that I'm very excited about. Polynucleotides are a relatively new technology in our profession. Some of us have been working with polynucleotides for a number of years. We fully understand the product and have a lot of confidence in the way that it works and the results. Polynucleotides are essentially the building blocks of DNA, and these polynucleotides specifically come from salmon. So what I'm using is a gel that we're delivering into the skin, and the polynucleotides are very clever little molecules, and they have the ability to stimulate a lot of regeneration wherever we choose to put them. So the Ameela polynucleotides essentially have four main functions. Because of the actual structure of the polynucleotide, which is part of DNA, it is biostimulating, which means it can send signals to its surrounding tissue and cause cells to change. So we get new collagen, new elastin, new glycoproteins, all the good things that we need for bouncy young skin. The second is moisturization or hydration, and the actual polynucleotide structure is what we call highly hydrophilic, which means that when it's in the tissue, it attracts water to itself, and that makes the skin hydrated and gives a glow, which everyone likes. The third thing about a polynucleotide molecule is that it is highly antioxidant, and when you have the treatment with Ameela, straight away you will see a brightening of the skin, particularly if it's used under the eyes. So that's a fantastic benefit of the treatment. But then going forward, it acts as a free radical, and anybody that knows anything about skincare knows that we love anything that's a free radical, because it basically detoxifies the skin and just keeps things clean and helps the skin cycle function properly. And then lastly, and this is a little bit of a magical property of polynucleotides, and particularly Ameela with the way it's produced, it has the ability to instantly, when it's injected into the tissue, to change the structure of the fibrils, which means that you will see sort of an instant tightening effect. That's quite remarkable. So clients really enjoy that straight after the treatment. And then going forward, it continues to cause the biostimulation for a more long-lasting and overall tightening of the tissues.